How to change number in WhatsApp. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now in order to change your number, you need to have your original phone opened to the WhatsApp application. For example, if you are using a WhatsApp and that specific SIM number is on another phone, you cannot go ahead and do this method. Both of the WhatsApp account and the SIM number that you are using must be on the same exact phone. Basically, from there, all you need to do is to open up the WhatsApp application. Now once inside WhatsApp, navigate through the settings of your account, and from here you want to click on the account setting. Inside the account, you can then go ahead and see the change number option. Go ahead and click on next, and from here all you have to do is to go ahead and enter your old phone number, and for the second text, you want to enter your new phone number. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.